Hello. From time to time, when I'm working on a series, a compatibility issue will come up, as did with OpenGL, and rather than, go back and re-record all my old videos, I'll just make a little note about it and insert it at a natural point. If we're working along and following my videos, we might come into some issues. If we're using Python 3.10, point anything, we'll have some issues. This is a code from another video in the series. If I go and run this, we're going to run into a whole bunch of these. Okay, so this can be very sort of tedious to pull apart, but basically, we haven't done anything wrong. This is an issue with the Vulkan Python bindings. Now I've lodged a pull request, so hopefully this gets fixed in future versions, but for now, we've got a quick fix. We can just go, it says here, module collections has no attribute iterable. We can just go control click again to get into the module. So this is the underlying Python bindings. See, it says is instance collections iterable. So it looks like we've imported something. We're calling it collections. Go up the top. What we need to do is we go collections ABC. That's all we need to do. It's a one-line fix. It fixes everything. And it just has to do with, in Python 3.10, they deprecated that collections iterable, and now it's collections ABC iterable. That's it. And yeah, there we have it. So yep, that's my little addendum. Yep, so if you're following along at home and you're using Python 3.10, that's how we get it running. Okay, so yep, that's it. Have a good day. Hop on my Discord as well if you have any other issues you'd like to report. I'm always happy to check those. Big thank you to Build Crash, who reported this. Build Crash. Is that a Neil Stephenson reference? Anyway, pretty cool. Yep, have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.